Hello everyone and good morning. It's me again, Joseph, your host, and welcome back to our channel and the Daily Reflections. Wednesday of the 18th week in Ordinary Time Year A brings together readings about hope, trust, and persistence. These passages speak to people who feel pushed aside or worn down by life. God's care is shown through promises of renewal and through attention to those who refuse to give up. The first reading and psalm remind us that God does not forget his people. Even after loss and struggle, there is a promise of gathering and joy. On Wednesday of the 18th week in Ordinary Time Year A, we hear that sorrow does not have the final word. The gospel adds a strong example of faith. A woman keeps asking for help, even when it is hard. Her trust matters. Together, these readings call us to hold on, speak up, and trust that God listens. Now, friends, let us take a look at the readings for today. The first reading is from Jeremiah chapter 31, verses 1 to 7. And then for today's responsorial psalm, it is also from Jeremiah chapter 31. Finally, the gospel reading for today is from Matthew chapter 15, verses 21 to 28. On Wednesday of the 18th week in Ordinary Time, the readings remind us of God's promises and the power of faith. Through the words of Jeremiah and the Gospel of Matthew, we learn about God's everlasting love, hope for restoration, and the importance of persistent prayer. These reflections aim to deepen our understanding and trust in God. In Jeremiah chapter 31, verses 1 to 7, God reassures Israel of his unwavering love. He promises to be with them and restore them. This promise is a source of great comfort, reminding us that God's love never fails. God speaks of a time when Israel will dance and rejoice once more. This shows that even in times of sorrow, we can hold on to the hope of joy and renewal. God's love is a constant, even when we face challenges. How do I respond when I feel like God is not answering my prayer right away? As we reflect on this reading, we can find comfort in knowing that God's love is always present. His promises give us strength to endure difficult times. We can trust in his plan for our lives, knowing that he always desires our good. And in today's responsorial psalm from Jeremiah chapter 31, this song echoes the promise found in the prophets. It reflects Israel's trust that God gathers the scattered and heals the wounded. Joy comes after hardship. For Wednesday of the 18th week in Ordinary Time Year A, the psalm highlights praise as a response to God's saving work. The people speak together about God's care for the poor and broken. It reminds us that worship includes memory, hope, and gratitude. God's faithfulness is meant to be shared in song and prayer. In the gospel, a Canaanite woman approaches Jesus, pleading for her daughter's healing. Despite initial resistance, she persists in her faith. Her determination moves Jesus to grant her request. This story shows the power of persistent prayer. The woman's unwavering faith and boldness in asking for help are inspiring. Her story encourages us to keep praying, even when answers seem delayed. What does God's everlasting love mean to me in daily life? Persistent prayer is not just about asking repeatedly. It's about having faith that God hears us and will respond in his time. This reading teaches us to trust in God's timing and remain steadfast in our faith. Jesus' interaction with the Canaanite woman in Matthew chapter 15, verses 21 to 28 highlights the inclusivity of God's kingdom. Though she is not from Israel, her faith grants her the healing she seeks. Jesus shows that God's blessings are for everyone. This reading reminds us that God's love and mercy extend to all people. No one is excluded from his grace. We are called to embrace this inclusivity and welcome everyone into God's family. Do I welcome others the way Jesus welcomed the Canaanite woman? How can I grow in faith and persistence in my prayer life? Reflecting on this, we can examine our own attitudes towards others. Are we open and welcoming? Do we share God's love with everyone we meet? This reading challenges us to be more inclusive and loving in our daily lives. In conclusion, the readings for Wednesday of the 18th week in Ordinary Time teach us about God's everlasting love, the power of persistent prayer, and the inclusivity of his kingdom. As we reflect on these themes, we can deepen our faith and trust in God's promises. Let us embrace these lessons and live them out in our daily lives. Now, friends, let us end our reflections for today with a simple prayer. Dear Lord, help us to trust in your everlasting love. Strengthen our faith in times of difficulty and teach us to pray persistently. May we always be open and welcoming to all, sharing your love with everyone we meet. Amen. Thank you, friends, for watching and joining me in today's daily reflections. I hope these reflections can be useful and helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video and our daily reflections, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel for more faith-inspiring contents and many more. Take care, everyone. Stay safe and healthy as usual. See you next time, and God bless you always.